Hello guys, so welcome to this video. So recently yeah, I working in Google Ads. Google Ads. So many people says message me that how can I become the Google Ad expert. So I already hear the roadmap because lots of people asking me the same question. So I cannot answer them properly with uh, a specific person, and that's why I ready the roadmap. And also people say me that in future of the today AI is taking our job. Lots of people lost their job without notify from Facebooks, and lots of services and jobs is hand over by AI. So I always say that if you are expert, if you are a specialist, AI cannot replace you. But if you can use AI, you can boost your productivity. Which work you do 30 minutes, you can do it in 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can reduce the times what you're doing. Okay, so I share all of the things in here. The Google Ads learning journey fools. I include here a lot of things. Okay, so the fundamentals and sequence is working like that. The business, if I share in here, you can see the business, marketing, psychology, digital marketing, Google Ads ecosystem, Google Ads research, website, CRO technicals. Okay, so here is a lot of things you can see in here that is important. And if you want to start from basic and you want to be expert in this, today is a AI journey, I mean AI revolutions. So if you want expert in these times and want to be develop your skills for future. All of the roadmap and structure in here, campaign metrics optimization, AI automations, how you do your work automations. Okay, so think which things which work with you do in the sequentially the same pattern. You can automate the work. You can reduce the time. So how much time you spent for doing this work. So remember these things and scaling, troubleshoot, real client project, professional growth. So a lot of things in here. You can see the from business result. Okay, customers, keywords, auctions, click, landing pages, tracking. Uh, Here is lot all of things. Okay, so I share again. Just short overview. And you can see that is a HTML web app. I shared this if you comment me and if you message me, I will share this you. Okay, and you read this for your Google Ads journey. So research, website tracking, campaign beatings. So I just give in here the short overview. Okay, research, website CRO, tracking, measurement, campaign building, metrics, optimizations, AI automations. Why the sequences we written? Because in here all of the fundamental to advanced lot of things I am explaining here what you need. Okay, what you need to become expert, I explain all of the fundamental in here. So if you follow this sequence and fundamental, you become the expert, and you are just not a Google Ad expert. You are the growth partner of any business, and today is AI revolution. So for these times in AI and using how to using AI, how to build productivity, and how to people's manage and how to convert people's to click to audience. I mean click to client, that is you need to learn. So all of these things in I explain in here. If you need more session about this, please comment in my video. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope this video is informative. If this video is informative, please share with your friend. Bye bye.